Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning too.
Good
How
morning, sir.
how have you been?
I've been good.
Okay, welcome for today's sessions. We are going to look at introduction to farm structures. And before I start my session, let me call the register first. You see those who have attended my online class today. So I will start. Ruben Chuma,
Present.
Khaled Kibet,
Present.
Mutiza, Augustus Kitili Mutiza,
Present.
Shadrach Fadili.
Present.
Okay. Thank you. So as I've told you today, we are going to look at farm structures. So first of all, what comes to your mind when you hear about farm structures? Someone with a clue before I give you a learning outcome, what will I expect you to do or to know after the end of this session? What is a structure, first of all? Yes. Okay, so by the end of this session, you as a trainee will be able to define the term structure and then state the need for farm structures and then explain the factors in site selection and layout. So definition of terms. We have we should have to define the term structure. Who can define the term structure for us? Yes, Ruben.
A structure is defined as an assembling of a number of members, such as beams, columns, slabs, walls, etc., proportionate to resist loads and forces, climatically changes, and chemical attack.
Okay, that is a nice definition. Anyone with another definition of a structure? Yes, Caleb Kibet.
I think a structure is a physical construction or a civil work located on a farm or devoted to farming.
Yes. A farm structure is a physical construction or a civil work located on the farm and devoted to farming. For example, we have those structures in our home. We have the stores, cereals. When you go to those county government, we have cereal boards, and then we have the structures for cow sheds. Those are some of the structures. We have the farm machinery structures that we store our farm implement. Those are some of the structures that we have. So next we are going to look for need for farm structures. Why do we need to have a farm structures in our homes? Yes. Why do we need to have a farm structures in our home? Yes, Rupen.
For protection of farm machinery.
Yes.
From rain, dust, corrosions, etc., for protect the machines.
Yes. That is, we protect our farm machinery from rain, dirty, and corrosion. For the machine to last for longer period, we have to build for structures so that we protect our farm machinery from rain and dirty. Yes. Another one. Yes, Caleb.
For storage of farm produce to protect them from damage from fungi, insects, or excess temperature and moisture.
Yes, for protection of animals from mud, rain, sun, and keep condition. We have again for storage of farm produce to protect them from damage from fungi, insects, excessive moisture, and temperature. So as you look at your homes, we have those stores that protects our storage in produce. And then we have for easy management, for easy management of animals, for grazing, milking, and spraying, and feeding treatment. And then we have for protect the animal from mud, rain, and sun that keep them in a condition where diseases and parasites are readily controlled. So we have factors to consider in site selection and layout. What factors do you consider when you want to lay a layout of a site selection in a farm structure? Yes, Caleb. Then Ruben. You just
Landscape
state.
and slope.
Yes.
A landscape and slope.
Yes, landscape and slope. This is to ensure that the yard remains dry. You know, we should have to look at the topography of the land, so that when you build a foundation, it will be in a stable, then it should be in a gently slope, so that drainage can flow easily. Yes. Yes, Ruben.
We have space.
Yes, space to allow adequate movement of machines and material for future expansion. Yes. Another one. Augustus, where are you?
Clean water.
Yes, clean water, yes. For adequate clean water, animals, so that animals can easily, for easy piping, for domestic use and farm. Yes. Shadrach. Fadili. Okay, we also look for source of energy. Yes,
I can
Fadili.
say sources of energy.
Yes, sources of energy.
Electricity should be from a nearby source to reduce cost of wiring.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Fadili. And then we have safety and security. We should also consider safety when we are citing selection of farm layout. And then we have, again, accessibility. We look areas where it is easily accessible, so that we have the throughways and pathways, roads, so that those communicating lines such as telephone will be easily accessible. And then the type of soil, we look again the type of soil, free from drainage and fairly deep soils, so that buildings should not on unproductive soil, rocky. And then we again look at away from the direction of prevailing winds and rains. This helps to avoid damage by strong winds, so that it cannot blow the roofs. And then we have farm personal whims or wishes. You know, you build your, or you construct your farm structure according to your wish, where preferably you want the site to be. And then we have this sewerages disposal. You again locate the location of the septic tank, and farm waste disposal system should be away from the homestead where you live, to avoid those bad odor. And then the drainage method, methods of disposal, runoff water from building or wastewater from production unit. So that is the end of today's session. Is there anybody with a question? before we summarize our session, what we have learned today, and then I will give you an assignment so that you can take out an assignment for the next session. Yes, anyone with a question? If there is no any question, you can take the assignment. And our today's assignment is what I want you to do is using a diagram where possible, describe a method of designing a layout of the farmstead by dividing the map into concrete zones. So you will draw a circle starting from the homestead. You go those until you go to the largest concrete circle, dividing those, and then you divide it. So having not any question, so hope today's session was well understood. Yes.
Yes, for me it was well understood.
Okay, thank you.